Want to turn your love for music into a money-making opportunity? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal how you can get paid simply by listening to your favorite tunes. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to a rewarding experience that allows you to earn cash while enjoying the music you love. Join the thousands of people who have already discovered this incredible way to make money online. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Watch the video now and start getting paid for your passion. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get started. Do you love music? Want to get paid for listening? Imagine getting paid to do what you love most. Listen to music. Now it's possible with Music Gateway. Music Gateway is an innovative platform that connects you with the latest hits and trending tracks and rewards you for your time and passion. Wouldn't it be easier to have a tool that enables you to easily review music on the go, get rewarded for your volume of submissions, and make your life easier? If you manage a radio station or playlist, then you are already reviewing music every day of the week anyway. So why not get paid for it? Music is consumed everywhere in day-to-day life. You hear it on the TV, in shops, in gyms, and everywhere in between. But did you know it's actually someone's job to choose the songs you hear when you buy your morning coffee or listen to a playlist on your way to work? That's right, it isn't any old random mix of music. It's been cleverly designed by music curators who get paid to listen to music. A music curator spends their day listening to music. Sounds like a perfect job, getting paid to listen to music. In rough figures, a curator can be paid anywhere between £20,000 to £40,000 a year. Although there are surely some successful curators out there earning more than that. Definitely a worthwhile job when finance is concerned. To become a playlist curator and get paid to listen to music, this sounds like a pretty amazing job, right? Well, it is. Especially if you love listening to music. You need to have a strong passion for music. You're going to be listening to music all day, every day. Not everyone can do that. No more mindless scrolling or wasting time. Get rewarded for your passion while discovering new artists and genres. Earn money by simply enjoying the music you love without any extra effort. Join the Music Gateway community today and start earning while doing what you enjoy most, listening to music. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.